Welcome to another video by the Market Maker SA. I hope you are doing very good. I hope you're trading strong. I hope you all traded very good last week. And welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing a market preview. More specifically, we'll be doing a market preview on the Eurousd. We'll be looking at the Gpbusd, and we'll be looking at gold. Before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, so yes, we could really use the support. So without further ado, let us begin. So obviously, if you watched the previous market preview from last week, we were looking at Eurousd. Obviously, we identified the peak formation low, and last week we were identifying that since market had already covered this area right here in a very nice way, we're looking for market to then come back to this area right here. There's our demand zone right here, especially when market feels that imbalance. The new market had to come back inside to continue the cycle. And obviously the whole week last week, it went into our intended direction. It went into the direction that we analyzed. You can see it hasn't yet taken out our external liquidity. So that's something very interesting, right there. So obviously, let's look back at what the market did last week, because it was actually a very interesting week, because this is the only trade that I actually took last week. It's the only trade that I took, and I just held it for the whole entire week. So very it was a very good setup. I liked what I see, and I took it. And as you can see what market did, market took out right now on the H2, market took out the H2, this external liquidity right here, took out this break of structure, of course making that area a new mitigation block on the H2. And as you can see what market did, obviously in this area right here, we had this base rally, and obviously market came back to this huge, by the way, very big down candle order block. Market came back to it, failed it, and then market moved away very nicely. That was very nice stuff that I liked a lot. Very nice stuff, because market was continuing the cycle. I mean, the chart there was kind of unexpected, but overall it was following market contact very nicely. Level 1 consolidation, level 2. So obviously right now we're currently level 2, because there was no, apart from that was literally the only way you could have caught this trade if you didn't catch it from the start. So very interesting. Of course, this pullback here as well, but more or less it's right there. So obviously now we're at an area right now. It's Monday, and obviously we're expecting market to give us a continuation, because the cycle isn't complete. We're expecting 2 more levels, because they were violated. So yeah, very nice stuff. We are still going to our direction. The cycle is not complete. So obviously, in terms of how we're gonna continue this, or how we're gonna ride it back, it's gonna be quite tricky. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be quite tricky, because right now at the moment, as you see, market is in a consolidation phase. You can see what the market did in the Asian session wasn't really a lot. So what I would like market to do in this instance, to make because I need to try and make what I'm looking at, I need to try and make what I'm trading as simple as possible. So what I would like market to do is come back to this mitigation block inside, and obviously from the previous demand zone to the mitigation block, this area right here becomes our point of interest, and that's the only point of interest I see right now. So I would like market to come back into that area, retrace very slowly, retrace in ways that I like a lot, and then I would expect market to move away, breaking that external liquidity for the week, giving us level 2, giving us level 3. So that's what I'm looking at for EURUSD this week. Chances of it happening are very high, because at the moment market probably thinks that a lot of people, market knows that a lot of people who are currently buying, and at the same time there are people who are selling because they think there's a supply zone. So that's very important. This area right here will be a key area for us, because this area in here needs to be taken out, unfortunately, because there are people with orders that are the stop losses that are probably up there on top. So this is an area that I'm very interested in, an area that I'm very interested for the market to take out, especially. So very key there, very important. And as you can see right now at the moment, it's very nice stuff. It's actually like it's giving us the type of signals and the market content that we need for market to continue this trade. So obviously, in terms of catching it, I'll be expecting you to catch it as a continuation, as a rally-based rally in that down candle order block. As you can see, it's a bit choppy, so the move, the momentum away from the area will also be kind of choppy, but it's money irregardless. But in terms of market coming back to this area, I don't see market coming back to this area. Market has no reason to come back to this area. So very, very important right there. That's EURUSD. That's how I want to look at it for this week. Very, very important there. Okay, let's look at the GBP USD. Let's look at GBUSD. Let me just type it out. Okay. Right here. Okay, and then obviously right now with the GBUSD, obviously we identified our peak formation low a long time ago. We identified our anchor formation, peak formation low. A lot of break of structures were made in this area. A lot of break of structures were made. Stuff that I like a lot. Stuff that I like to see. And we talked about all this in our previous videos. So if you really want to go back and see how we broke down what market did at that time, go back to our previous video and look at it. So at this point right now, we have this break of structure right here. Obviously last week we identified that break of structure, and obviously we identified market to take out this area. Or last week we identified market to take out this area, and obviously market came back into that it's very, very small, very small fair value gap. Obviously the fair value gap was also coupled with that inverted volume gap. So very nice stuff there. Things that you love to see. Use that inverted volume gap as a flip zone. So obviously then what market did, market obviously covered that imbalance right there. I don't know why. I would have liked for it to come there because there's no down candle. So that was a bit weird. But obviously the market went away. Obviously GBP had that pressure of EURUSD obviously going away, and obviously since the market of disparity, they have to go the same. Market then went away. But in terms of catching it, if you caught it here, this was a very brilliant trade. I'm not gonna lie. This is one of those trades that you would print out and put it on your desk so that every time it happens, you take it. Because market came into the mitigation block splendidly. Market came into a mitigation block. Obviously, that's a break of structure, but mitigation block from your previous supply zone to this one. This becomes a new point of interest. Market came into this order block that I now see. Obviously, but market didn't fill it completely. But if you look at it deeper, you could see right here on top, the accumulation was splendid, because the accumulation coupled with the manipulation, we took out all the people there who were probably thinking long, especially breakout wise, but there was no breakout trade right there. There was no indication of a breakout unless you traded right there, which is a bit weird. But obviously that being our liquidity grab, market took them all out. There were some people who probably saw this as an order block, put their buy limits right there, got taken out. Market dropped and then rised up beautifully, taking out significant structures. Now in terms of this one, I didn't trade it. I didn't trade Gpbusd because I didn't like what it was showing me, especially when it came back. It didn't come back in that fair value gap I was looking at. I didn't like it, so I didn't trade it. And obviously what happened here, market broke this structure. Beautiful stuff here. Market broke the structure, making this a mitigation block. And obviously from our previous supply zone to the mitigation block is our point of interest. So that was a bit far, and the only point of interest I could see, because that fair value gap was closed, is this order block right here. You see market came to the order block, went away splendidly. Very nice stuff. And obviously, yeah, market continued the trend, breaking significant structures, closing gaps. I mean, another error, right? But that fair value gap was a big, so I understand why market didn't respect it and use it as an imbalance. But important things there, very nice stuff. Market continue the trend. So in terms of what I'm looking at for Gpbusd this week, it's not as it's less tricky. In my opinion, I feel like it's less trickier than EURUSD, because I looked around the H4. It's less trickier because our very crucial mitigation block has been marked out right there. So how do we expect market to do? And the only place that I see market coming back to is this mitigation block right here. Market coming to that mitigation block maybe Monday, Tuesday, then dropping away very nicely. That's what I see, and it's what I like. So yeah, No complaints right there. See market coming in there. After that being our new rally based rally, market coming back into it and leaving away. Level wise, we're currently in level 1 on the H4, so we're expecting 2 and we're expecting 3. So yeah, very nice stuff. I like what I'm seeing on this one. This one might be I might just switch them around for this week, you know, instead of trading Eurousd only, I might just trade Gpbusd only. So very nice stuff right there. Okay, we have gold. Instantly, when I'm looking at gold, the only thing I can say from gold right now is wow. Gold is actually showing a signal to drop, which is quite interesting because gold has been moving up since November, October last year, I think. So very interesting stuff there. You see right now, market is finally giving us a peak formation high, a very nicely settled one as well. Market is officially giving us that peak formation high, and market has targets inside already to hit. There's a lot of people right there who are probably trading. So very nice stuff. I like what I'm seeing there. Another area right there that could be taken out. Okay, I like it. I don't mind it at all. Could hold it for Monday, Tuesday. Make a lot of money right there. Let's try to close it down. Obviously, mitigation wise, I would expect market to come back into that area right there. That change of character there, that very important change of character there, being our mitigation block. From our previous supply zone to that mitigation block, this becomes our new point of interest. And the only thing I can see, honestly, in this point of interest is this fair value gap right here, because it's also coupled up with our breaker block. So I see it. I see market coming into it, obviously. I mean, right now I don't see it yet. I see market coming into it and dropping because it has a lot of areas to drop to take out. So okay, I feel like gold going down will probably be a big trade of ours this week, definitely. Cause gold has been going up for quite a long time, you know. It's not really a pair I've been excited to trade, cause I mean, on one side you could say it's predictable in a sense of saying, okay, but it's just going one side. But on the other side, it's like, okay, but there's no structure to it, there's no formation to it, there is no discipline and obedience to it. But at the end of the day, the markets have, guys, they have to behave, guys. At the end of the day, they actually have to behave. So I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing a lot because I feel like at the end of the day, market has a lot of imbalances to fill down there. So that could be very crucial, very crucial, very important. So yeah, gold going down. Very interesting stuff there. Let's go down to our lower time frame, see what we can do down there. Because I'm very interested in this trade now. We just do the most for us this week. We just do the most for us in general. Go down to our M15. Okay, but the M15 is showing a different story, but it's not really a different story now, is it? But obviously, in terms of what we could be looking at, this area right here could be very important, because right now we're in accumulation, hoping for manipulation and hoping for distribution. So I would say if market can maybe cover that area we're looking at, maybe cover it, that would be a much better signal. But even if market comes into the what's this, into the breaker block, it's not a problem, as the breaker block is coupled with a fair value gap. It's not a problem because there's no down candle on top there. So yeah, so this one just in my opinion, if you can just time it right, I feel like you can get it right. And you can just hold for the whole week. Let's look at Dow Jones 30, and I think we'll end it right there. Because this is where they start doing this, means Dow Jones is also showing some selling movements there. And now we just use that right there. So obviously, we identify the Dow Jones to come into a specific area and look for drops. And as you see what we see here right here, is market is already initiating them type of drops, and it's stuff that I like to see a lot. Because right there is a down candle order block right there, and as you can see, market is already giving us the type of structure that we need to go in short right there, because you see market giving a first leg, second leg, market is already dropping. Market is already dropping. Very nice stuff right there. See, once again right there onto breakout of structure right there. So yeah, I like what I see as well right here on the Dow Jones. I mean, in terms of liquidity, number one has been taken out massively in this area. A lot of people were taken out. A lot of people who were trading this too early were taken out. And obviously right there, people who thought they got it right were also taken out eventually. So that has to be the problem. That has to be the problem of setup as well. So very interesting stuff. They definitely will look into it. I mean, let's jump to our lower time frame, see how we can then catch this even further. Because so far, I like what I'm seeing. You see right there, break of structure. Just do that. Okay, let's go. Break of structure right there. Very nice stuff. No, let me just drop to my 45. Let me drop to my 45. Not even the 45, the 1 minute, the 1 hour. Because on the 1 hour, and I'm currently seeing this down candle order block, and honestly, it's looking very tasty. For the lower time frame traders, I see it right there. Supply zone, no less, from the M for 5 minutes. And as you can see already, market is already doing the most of that area. So that's definitely a very interesting trade. In terms of stop loss, I mean, I'm definitely taking this. In terms of stop loss, where could you then identify a stop loss for this trade? I mean, it's Monday, so probably right there on top. Depending on what you're comfortable in, how you comfortable in taking a loss. $50. Try to aim $50, and you try to aim for about 3 times that. Don't really mind that. Do you mind that? Stop loss is kind of tight, to be fair, if you think about it. But if it goes up beyond this 1 minute 1 hour supply zone, then you scratch the trade and you reevaluate, find a better entry, because that's it. That's just risk management. But in terms of targets, there's a lot of targets to be taken out. Look at it right there, target one. There's a lot of targets to be taken out, so I say why not. So I like what Dow Jones 30 is doing as well. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hope you all have a fantastic trading week. And yeah, happy trading, guys. Thank you.